Sending cash apps on the TymeBank application is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, you have to ensure that you have the latest version of the TymeBank application installed on your mobile device. Now use your login credentials to assist you in accessing your TymeBank account. Then look for a section in the app that is related to transactions, payments, or transfers. This may vary depending on the app interface. Now once in the relevant section, there might be an option specifically labeled as cash send or something similar. Then provide the necessary details of the recipient, such as their mobile number or email address associated with their TymeBank account. Then specify the amount of cash you want to send. Now review the transaction details to ensure accuracy. Some apps may provide a confirmation step to prevent errors. After that, depending on security measures, you may need to authenticate the transaction using a PIN, password, or biometric verification. Once all details are confirmed and the authentication is successful, complete the cash send transaction. Now you and the recipient may receive notifications or confirmations of the transaction. Then keep these for your records. So this is how you can do cash send on the TymeBank.